This 2024 inTech Luna Rover is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used inTech is 15 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, LP detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 8 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 inTech Luna Rover is 1,850 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.